Hi, this is John with Signaworks. Today we're here talking about the Signaworks ASTL continuous Andon tower light that we assemble right here in Powell, Ohio. The Signaworks ASTL Andon light is a plug-and-play solution ready to mount with 2 bolts, plug in the power cord, and it's ready to go. We have 2 position selector switches for turning the light off and steady on. Each light is independently operated, so you can have more lights on at a time. It includes super bright LEDs, 24 per light section in the red and yellow, and 18 larger LEDs in the green section. It has a rugged through-bolt design for extra rigidity in an industrial or commercial environment. It includes a 12-inch pole, a heavy-duty 8-gauge right angle bracket, sealed enclosure, industrial selector switches, and an 8-foot 3-prong power cord. The Andon light is really a lean manufacturing communication tool used to give a signal for certain conditions or alert people to respond without the operator leaving the area. Each color can designate a different condition, such as call for parts, engineering, quality check, machine down, restroom break, or really whatever you're trying to signal. Our lights are longer, brighter, have a through-bolt design that's stronger and sturdier. We use an 8-gauge mounting brackets versus thin stamped steel from our competitors. All of these things make a big difference. The Signaworks light will last longer and is worth the little extra you pay for American ingenuity and workmanship. Look for our other Signaworks Andon lights with extended cable or a longer pole to elevate the light for higher visibility. We offer a broad range of industrial signal products, from tower lights, traffic lights, to Audible Alarms. These can all be found at signaworks.com or our web store at signalsonline.com. As we have been since 1995, we're here for any technical or customer service questions you may have. Thanks.